In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up VAT for digital goods on Shopify. If you've been looking to comply with VAT requirements for selling digital products, you're in the right place. We'll go through this setup together step by step to ensure everything is configured correctly. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to ensure you're on the Shopify dashboard. This is your main control center, where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Now, if you direct your attention to the lower left corner of the dashboard, you'll notice a gear icon there. This is the settings menu, which we need to access. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Doing so will open up your store's settings, where you can tweak various parts of your Shopify store. Next, from the menu that appears on the left-hand side, locate the option labeled Taxes and Duties. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage how taxes are applied to your products. Click on Taxes and Duties to proceed. This will bring up a new page dedicated to your store's tax settings. It's the place where you can set up VAT and other tax obligations, ensuring compliance with local tax regulations. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. You might see several options and checkboxes, but don't worry, it's all straightforward once you know where to look. Your focus here should be on finding the checkbox labeled Charge VAT on Digital Goods. This is a vital step for anyone selling digital products, as it allows Shopify to automatically apply VAT rates to those product sales. Check the box beside Charge VAT on Digital Goods. By doing this, you're telling Shopify to apply the necessary VAT to your digital goods, making sure you stay on the right side of tax laws. Once you've checked that box, you need to ensure all your changes are saved. Look to the top of the page where you'll find the Save button. It's usually in a bright color like blue or green, making it easy to spot. Click on that to save your settings. This ensures that your tax configuration is updated and set in place for all future transactions involving digital goods. And there you have it. That's all it takes to set up VAT for digital goods on Shopify. You've now configured your store to comply with VAT requirements, which is a big step toward making your business operations smooth and hassle-free. Hopefully, this guide has been clear and helpful, allowing you to perform these steps with ease and confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!